Come to the Mid-Atlantic today. Are you tired of religious persecution? If so, come to the Mid-Atlantic. We don't care where you're from or what you believe in. There are lots of opportunities here. Plus, you don't need to be a slave. We also have many specialties such as livestock, grains, and fish. We also trade with the other colonies because they have what we need and we have what they need.
We have tons of market towns in the Mid-Atlantic colonies. It's great for trading and buying items. We live near the Appalachian Mountains, coastal plains, harbors, rivers, and our amazing rich farmland.
We were settled by Quakers who wanted freedom to practice their faith without interference. We have villages, cities, diverse cultural backgrounds, and diverse religions, which is why you should come.
Natural resources include farmlands and rivers. Human resources are unskilled and skilled workers, farmers, fishermen, and merchants. Capital resources are buildings and are supplies for farming. Credits. Slide 1 and 2 were Andrew, Slide 3 and 4 were Mitchell, Slide 5 and 6 were Chris, Slide 7 and 8 were Daniel with the pictures, and Mitchell with the voiceovers.